very good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are safe and fine. Beta, this is our activity class, and today in this activity class we are going to do artwork. So take out your art notebook, stationery box. Look, like this you have to draw a margin, okay? And write down today's date 17/8/2020. Here CW, okay? So today we are going to make castle, okay? And we will color it with the help of sketch pen by making patterns. Understood? So let's start with our work. Take pencil and scale and start drawing with me like this. First of all, what you have to do, draw a line like this, okay, like this, and from here, look, you have to draw a line from here like this, and from here also like this. Then same way, draw line from here also, two parallel lines, okay, like this, very lightly. Done. Now draw one line over here like this. Done, everyone? Now look what you have to do. You have to do like this from here. अब देखिए बेटा, एक हम लोग ने बेस बना लिया कि हमारी ड्राइंग इस पैटर्न के अंदर ही आएगी, ओके? सो फ्रॉम हेयर do like this, and from here also like this. Done. Now start making curve like this. What we are making? Pillars, okay, like this. Same way from here. Done. Now draw a line like this. Done. Same way from here, draw another line like this. Okay. Now start making blocks like this. From here also, come down, straight, up. Like this you have to make blocks. Same way here also, draw a line, okay. Now start making blocks. Done. Like this you have to make blocks. Now draw a triangle like this from both sides. Done? Done everyone? Similarly, here also you have to make pillar like this. Done beta? Now here make a door. Draw a line like this. Now from here also and do like this. Same way, okay? Done. Now here also you have to make blocks like this. From a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Now from here draw line like this. Done. Like this. Now again start making blocks. From here draw another line like this. Done. Again start making blocks. Done. Now here you have to make flags. Done. अब बेटा क्या करना है, इसकी आउटलाइन करनी है विद द हेल्प ऑफ ब्लैक स्केच पेन. ओके. बेटा देखिए जो आपने कैस्टल बनाया था आपको उसकी ब्लैक स्केच पेन से आउटलाइन करनी, जो आपने फर्स्टली ये लाइन ड्रॉ की थी उसमें नहीं करना है. ओके. लुक जैसे मैम कर रही है सेम वे में आपको भी करना है. Like this you have to do. Okay. बेटा जैसे मैम कर रही हैं आपको बिल्कुल वैसे करना है. Done. डन। अब बेटा आपको क्या करना है, जो भी आपकी एक्स्ट्रा पेंसिल है उसको आप इरेजर की हेल्प से इरेज कर सकते हो। ओके, ऐसा करने से आपका वर्क बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल होगा एंड नीट एंड क्लीन। ओके, look, done. Now we will color this with sketch pens by making patterns. Okay, so take out your sketch pens. First of all, we will take light blue color. Okay, now here start making pattern like this. Like this you have to make pattern. Here also. Okay. Done. Now take orange color and start making a line like this. Similarly here also. Done. Now make a line like this. Here also. Done. Now beta take purple color and start making lines like this. बेटे लाइंस आपको बहुत ही पास पास बनानी है। ओके, एंड रिमेंबर ओवरलैपिंग बिल्कुल भी नहीं होनी चाहिए। नाउ here with purple sketch pen you have to make small dots. What is called stippling. Okay, like this you have to make small dots. Similarly here also. Done. Now beta take pink color. Okay, and start making pattern over here like this. Similarly over here also. Done. Now here make a waves like this. Done. Now take red color and start making cross sign over here in flag like this. Done. Now take light green sketch pen and start making zigzag line over here. Take blue sketch pen and start making line, straight line, what is called sleeping line, like this. Okay. Now standing line, like this you have to make small squares. Now take dark green sketch pen and start making oval shape like this, odd even oval shape. Okay. Look, our castle is ready. We have done with patterns. Okay. Similarly, you have to do this work in your notebook, and your homework is to do page number 13 in your book. Open page number 13. Write down today's date, 17/8/2020. Here HW. Look, half is done for you. You have to do only half. Okay. Similar, जैसे बेटा इधर किया गया है आपको बिल्कुल ऐसे ही करना है. ओके. थैंक यू.